So, the economy's a bit of a mess right now. We've got inflation hanging around like that in-law who came for the weekend and never left. Interest rates are still high, layoffs are creeping in, and people are bracing for a full-on recession. But you know who's not freaking out? McDonald's. Yep, America's go-to comfort zone. While SPY just triggered a death cross, translation, the stock market might be entering a bear market. McDonald's stock is straight chillin', still solid, still rising, still selling fries, pretending this recession thing is just a rumor. And let's be real, this isn't McDonald's first rodeo. Back in 2008, recession, people still pulled into that drive-thru. 2001, dot-com crash. Big Mac's still flying out the window. When folks tighten their belts, they don't stop eating. They just downgrade the dinner plans. No steakhouse, no tapas. Just fries, burgers, and maybe a McFlurry if the machine's working. No promises. Tourism's taken a hit too. Foreign tourists are down, thanks to some, let's say, tension. But guess what? Americans are still hitting the road this summer. Domestic travel is going to be lit. Road trips, ball games, national parks, and right off every highway exit, there's a McDonald's waiting with hot fries and working AC. Plus, their supply chain, all American, beef, US raised, potatoes, Idaho and Friends, buns, straight from American wheat, no tariffs, no shipping delays, no drama, just good old US grub. Even politically, McDonald's is built different. Their biggest fan? Donald Trump. The man once served it at the White House, and even RFK Jr., with all his anti-everything vibes, isn't going to take your Big Mac. That thing is basically protected speech at this point. And the marketing? Next level. They're in Minecraft. They're dropping collabs. They're on your feed, in your kids' game, and probably in your dreams. You may not love capitalism, but you gotta respect the hustle. Now let's ask the real question. Can McDonald's survive the trolling from Chili's? Because Chili's just dropped a new burger, bigger and cheaper than the Quarter Pounder. Shots fired. But hey, that's a sit-down joint. You gotta park, wait, maybe talk to a waiter. McDonald's, in, out, full stomach, no tip, different league. And what about Ozempic? Yeah, weight loss drugs are trending. But here's the truth. People don't just eat for calories, they eat for feelings. And when your boss is a jerk and gas is $4 a gallon, no drug is going to erase the comfort of a hot hash brown or a perfect fry. Ozempic or not, cravings still win. Bottom line, McDonald's knows how to survive. Recessions, internet trolls, fast food beefs, pun intended, even pharmaceutical revolutions. It's been here for it all. The question isn't, can McDonald's survive the storm? It's more like, what's it going to charge for nuggets by the time we finally fix inflation?